These professions are constantly confused. Who should you go to? A psychologist or a psychotherapist? Who actually treats and who just talks? Today, a small but important difference: psychologist versus psychotherapist. The names sound similar. Both work with people and emotions, both deal with the psyche. But their education, responsibilities, and accountability are completely different. And choosing the wrong one can cost you time, money, and results. A psychologist studies at university in the Faculty of Psychology, spending 4 to 5 years learning about the psyche, behavior, emotions, and testing. A psychotherapist must have a medical degree, then specialize in psychotherapy, is authorized to work with diagnoses, and can prescribe treatment. A psychologist studies the psyche. A psychotherapist treats mental disorders using scientific methods. A psychologist provides counseling, career guidance, crisis support, works with self esteem, relationships, burnout, psychodiagnostics, and testing. A psychotherapist treats anxiety disorders, depression, phobias, PTSD, conducts long term psychotherapy, uses evidence based methods, and works in collaboration with doctors. A psychologist helps people cope with life's difficulties. A psychotherapist treats mental disorders. A psychologist, coaching techniques, conversations, exercises, testing, support in personal development. A psychotherapist, clinical diagnostics, psychotherapeutic protocols, sometimes treatment together with a psychiatrist, high legal responsibility. A psychologist's mistake is, for example, giving inconvenient advice. A psychotherapist's mistake is, in other words, a medical error. See a psychologist if you are experiencing a crisis, stress, apathy, relationship difficulties, professional burnout, issues with self esteem, or want personal growth. See a psychotherapist if you have panic attacks, obsessive thoughts, severe anxiety, depression, sleep or appetite disorders, or suspect a mental disorder. An accurate diagnosis is always made by a specialist with a medical degree. A psychologist helps you live better. A psychotherapist helps you recover when things get really tough. Choose not by the job title, but by the problem you want to solve. Subscribe so you don't confuse your future profession to learn everything about the professions of the future and much more about career guidance.